Hey there, it's Patricia, and I'm super excited to share something incredible with you in this video. I'm here to spill all the details about a life-changing product, Dentitox Pro. But before we dive in, I need to drop a crucial heads up. Be vigilant about where you snag your Dentitox Pro because shady scams are lurking out there. I've witnessed folks falling prey to non-official websites, getting neither the product nor their hard-earned cash back. To safeguard you, I've got the exclusive link to the one and only official website right below the video description. Click wisely. Now, let's talk about why this is a game changer for your oral health. If you value your pearly whites, this one's for you. We all love our sweets, but we know they can wreak havoc on our teeth over time. Enter Dentitox Pro, your knight in shining armor against cavity catastrophes. So, what's the magic in Dentitox Pro? It's a powerhouse supplement loaded with every vitamin and mineral your teeth crave, ensuring they stay robust and healthy. Say goodbye to worries about cavities or decay down the road. But wait, there's more. Your teeth will thank you with a natural gleam and a dazzling white as you keep using Dentitox Pro. Wondering what's in this miracle mix? Primary ingredients include a blend of natural wonders and essential vitamins like phosphorus, calcium, and vitamin D. Check out the official website for the nitty-gritty details because, hey, knowledge is power. Now, let's get to the real talk. People who've hopped on the Dentitox Pro train as per the manufacturer's recommendations are singing praises. Stronger teeth, brighter smiles, and fresher breath. They notice the difference within weeks. Talk about a confidence boost. For optimal results, sip on 2 doses daily with a refreshing glass of water or juice. And for the ultimate transformation, go for the 180-day pack, scoring a fantastic 20% discount on each bottle plus free shipping. The best part? It's all proudly made in the USA, FDA approved, and GMP certified. Dentitox Pro is non-GMO and totally safe, no harmful stimulants or toxins here. Plus, it's not habit-forming, so no surprise side effects. Still not convinced? No worries. Dentitox Pro stands by its magic with a 100% money-back guarantee for a whopping 60 days. Check out the refund process on the official website because they've got your back. Trust me, this purchase is a decision you won't regret. But hey, if you ever feel otherwise or aren't thrilled with the results, that money-back guarantee is your safety net. So, go ahead, give your questions a shout in the comments below. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. Catch you later.